My name is Warren Paul Anderson. I'm the product manager for the XRP Ledger and XRapid. Found my way into a grad program at Harvard, which ultimately led me to discover Bitcoin in 2011. I got involved early mining Bitcoin, and finally in 2013 decided to stake my career on the technology. And ultimately that kind of experience kind of led me to continue down the rabbit hole, so to speak, and explore other blockchain technologies, both Ethereum and finally Ripple with the XRP Ledger. And I landed on XRP Ledger, and it was just like, if you've ever done a transaction on an XRP Ledger, the 3 to 5 seconds that it takes just blows you away. It's really kind of how I think money should move in a global system. And it's literally just as fast as sending an email. So key priorities for 2018 for XRP Ledger, the biggest, what we call the big, hairy, audacious goal is to make XRP Ledger more decentralized than Bitcoin or Ethereum. And really what that means is making sure that there's a topology of trusted nodes all over the world that are running in different geographic locations on different systems, and that they are the ones securing the network for the future and contributing to the consensus, which is essentially the consensus protocol, which is essentially ensuring the stable kind of development and progress of the actual XRP Ledger. So kind of our decentralization strategy has always been to gradually decrease the amount of participation that Ripple has as an individual contributor, and we've kind of orchestrated this strategy to include more trusted nodes on the unique node list, and we are executing on that strategy today, and that's what's going to bring us to ultimately be more decentralized in Bitcoin and Ethereum by the end of 2018. So sharding is actually a way for nodes on the network to share specific parts of ledger history, and that helps to essentially make XRP Ledger more healthy long term, and it reduces the reliance on central operators to store centralized data for the XRP Ledger. So it's really important. It's a feature that we've been working on for over a year, and we're just right now about to implement it onto the production network. So we're really excited.